Today we're making a kale and beet wrap with garlic sauce that's earthy, savory, fresh, and full of warm flavor. Fresh kale, beets, grated carrots, garlic sauce, and warm wraps come together for a simple meal with lots of flavor and texture. Fresh beets cook first, so they have time to soften and develop their naturally rich, earthy flavor. The kale softens in the skillet while the grated carrots add a little sweetness, color, and balance right at the end. Warming the wrap helps it stay soft and makes everything easier to fold together. Spoon the warm kale and beet mixture into the wrap, then finish with a little garlic sauce while everything is still warm and fresh. Simple, flavorful, and filling. This wrap comes together with everyday ingredients and plenty of color. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.